What's up, everybody? Brian here with SLG Concrete Coatings, back in beautiful Buellton, California, where we're at the Hampton Inn. I'm pointing like as if there's a sign there, but we're at the Hampton Inn where we're redoing their 4,000 square foot pool deck, and we are doing a beautiful color. And we're actually going to do a little something different. We're going to do a little prize drawing type thing where if you guys can guess the color of the pool deck, then I will give you a free hat. So anyways, we're going to check it out. The guys are putting the top coat on right now. I can just see it from here that it just looks amazing. So let's go take a gander and yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. As you can see, the guys are hitting all the little corners, getting the top coat, jamming that out. It's looking really good. Love this color. And you'll be able to see it in the video when you see the guys in there, but they are hand brushing in these joints, and they do all just kind of the perimeters of said joints. That way there's a nice even coat, so when these guys go through with the rollers and the squeegee, then it's nice and even. Pretty sweet. And then we'll definitely be sure to put a little photo, a little before action, so you guys can see what it looked like prior. So whenever we do these pool decks, it always makes such a huge difference, and we're so excited to be a part of the transformation. So it's pretty awesome. As we come down here to the end from where their starting point is, I'll show you guys just kind of like what it looks like before and after, as far as the chip being laid out, and then the top coat going on. You'll see a major difference in sheen and all that good stuff, but it's just kind of cool just to see. But yeah, check this out. So this side has not been top coated yet, and that side has. Yeah, you can really see that difference. Yeah, top coat makes a world of difference and gives it that shine. So, but yeah, this is turning out amazing. Looks great. So yeah, so we'll be back in a couple weeks, and we're actually going to finish up by pressure washing and sealing this coping, and then putting in new Sikaflex to take care of that gap. So yeah, it's gonna look sweet. It's already looking really sweet, and I'm excited to see it finished. So the same thing that we did for flying flags we're gonna do here, but just look at the absolute depth of how big this pool deck is. Not as big as flying flags, but still massive. But we're stoked to be a part of it. This is gonna be great. So we got the guys working the other side, working their way back over here to the gated entrance, and yeah, they're gonna be done soon. So with all that, I'm just gonna throw in some more photos, you know, some stills, and then just be on the lookout within the next couple weeks, and we'll have some more photos of the finished coping after we've done the seal job and the Sikaflex. And yeah, but I'm pretty excited about how this is, I mean, I'm excited about every job and how they come out, because it's always a huge difference. But yeah, check out the photos. Thank you guys so much for joining us on another journey with a transformation. And yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're so happy to have you guys here, and thanks for watching. All right, guys, take care.